guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a detailed brow tutorial for you guys, as you've seen in the title. So I'm going to be going step by step on how to achieve the perfect brows. Just know that your brows are sisters and not twins, so they'll never look 100% perfect, but with this video you'll have them looking like sisters, maybe twins if you're really good at it. So yeah, just follow the instructions of my tutorial and you can achieve these brows. So let's go. So you want to start off by, yo, my eye looks really dirty. That's just eyeliner. It's really bothering me. Whatever. So start off by just drawing a line right where your brow hair is, and you want to just follow the shape of your brow. So when you begin, and I normally start from the middle so that it's not too harsh. So yeah, we're gonna go underneath the brow and create that shape. Then we're gonna go up top and make a line just like we did at the bottom. And connect it. Cool. So we got that. So you want to fill that in. Oh, and I'm using a dark brown pencil. Since my hair is dark brown, I'm using a dark brown pencil. You want to match your brows with your hair as much as possible, because it looks weird whenever your brows are not the same color as your hair. I believe that it looks weird. Everybody might not feel that way, but I don't like it. So we're going to fill the brow in, and then when you get to the front of the brow, you want to create hair like strokes. So you just want to make a little bit of strokes in the front. You don't want to do too much. That. So now you want to, where did my spoolie go? There we go. So now you want to take a spoolie and you're gonna just brush those hairs upwards in the front, and you're basically thinning out this line that's here to not make it so harsh. So you want to start at the bottom and just brush it upwards, and you want to do that at the very front too, so that it creates a gradient look. You don't want it to be too harsh in the front, because then it's gonna look like you have box eyebrows, and we all know those aren't cute. So now you want to just brush through your brow so you can distribute that product evenly. And I'm taking really light strokes. I'm not doing it super hard because I don't want to wipe away all the product that I did apply. So just go really smooth, and it doesn't matter if you mess up, because you're gonna go ahead and clean it up anyways with the concealer. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium. 25, a flat brush. So I'm using this brush right here, and I'm gonna be putting my concealer just right under my eyes. I just put it here just to like not have it mess up my hands or my clothes or anything like that. So I just put it there, and then I'll just distribute it as needed. So I'll just dip my brush here, and then I'll go ahead and line as close to the hairs as possible. Damp beauty blender and just blend that on your brow, on your lid. So now that we've done underneath our brow, we want to go on top of our brow and clean that up also. I'm using the same brush. I just wiped it off, cleaned it a little. So now I'm gonna clean the top of my brow. And instead of using concealer, I'm actually gonna be using foundation. Because you don't really want the top of your brow to look too highlighted, because it will look super fake. So if you want a natural looking brow, you use your foundation. Start right in the middle of your brow, and then just line like that. So if you have hair missing, like I do in the front here, so it's not as thick as this brow, you just have to make your own shape. So you have to basically force them to look like twins. You need to, or just overdraw it just so you can have the same shape as the other brow. Because my brows definitely don't match, and that's because I've literally been messing with my brows because I don't get them done professionally all the time. If I need to and I'm in a rush and my eyebrows are just a little bit hairy, I'll just end up plucking it. Because you absolutely do not want boxy brows. Those look horrible. They look absolutely horrible, and I hate to see them. So I'm gonna put y'all on so that y'all brows can be popping too. Yeah, using a pencil. And then just clean up on the inside. Take off all that excess product. And then just customize your brow to your liking. And remember, your brows are sisters, not twins. So they'll never look 100% the same. But as long as you get them to look as similar as possible, then your brows will always look on. So that is it for this detailed eyebrow tutorial for beginners. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn that bell notification on so you can see every time I upload.